Hi, amazing teachers. My name is Alexa Diaz-Formidoni, and I am the Senior Director of Capstone Programs at Junior Achievement of South Florida. Today, I have the pleasure to introduce you to my amazing team. We are the Capstone team, and so we serve students in Broward County Public Schools in South Palm Beach, where we teach them, hopefully, skills that they're going to use for the future. Our JA BizTown and Finance Park programs, as well as our amazing volunteer department, will be something that our staff will talk about in a little bit. Please, Crissy Torres, take it all on.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Crissy Torres, and I am the volunteer coordinator at Junior Achievement. I currently connect trained volunteers, role models, and mentors from local communities to help teach core principles around financial literacy, career skills, and entrepreneurship to students in our programs. Over to you, Lauren.
Thank you, Crissy. Hi, my name is Lauren Henderson. I'm the Finance Park Manager here at JA. This program provides students with a foundation for making intelligent, lifelong personal finance decisions through a hands-on curriculum that culminates with an interactive simulation. I enjoy serving students and teachers with a program that helps build real-life skills. Over to you, Lora.
Thank you, Lauren. Hello, my name is Lora Schemel. I am so excited to meet you all. I am the JA BizTown Program Manager and Summer Camp Director. I am responsible for our engaging hands-on JA BizTown program, which introduces fifth graders to economic concepts, workplace skills, and personal and business finances in a simulated city created for young students. This experience is available on site and includes also an online JA BizTown adventure to support and enhance your student learning. I enjoy serving students and educators with a program that connects the dots between what students learn in the classroom and the real world. Alexa, back over to you.
Thank you, ladies. I'm so excited to be able to be here and have the amazing team that we have able to serve you. I know I wasn't taught financial literacy when I was young, and I want you all to know that we admire everything that you do, that we're here to support you, and we hope that you'll be able to choose our programs. We're happy to send you any information and walk you along the way so that your students won't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.